Here's a 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan. Safety, versatility, comfort, convenience. It isn't just kid-friendly, it's also parent-perfect. And get ready for an impressive combination of features. 3 12-volt power outlets, dual-zone climate control, external memory control, internal audio memory, power sliding left and right rear passenger door, manual tilting steering column, multi-speed automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, and power heated mirrors. New Car Test Drive writes, the Dodge Grand Caravan offers amazing versatility with one of the most convenient cabins in its class. The flexible seating, abundance of storage space, and impressive entertainment options can make life easier for busy owners. Every Dodge delivers a signature thrill. Hurry in today for a test drive.
Your satisfaction is our goal. We're conveniently located at 2375 County Road 10 in Mounds View, Minnesota.